Samsung just reinvented the foldable again, but does the trifold actually make the Fold 7 feel outdated? When you look at both the device from the front, the interesting part is they look almost identical. Same 6.5-inch outer display, same bezel, same footprint, but the difference appears the moment you unfold them. The Fold 7 opens into an 8-inch display. The trifold opens into a full 10-inch panel, and while a 2-inch jump sounds small, in terms of the actual surface area, it's a completely different experience. This is the first foldable Samsung device that genuinely feels like a tablet when opened, but the larger screen comes with weight. The Fold 7 is around 215 grams, but the Trifold is 309. That's almost 50% heavier, and I'm pretty sure you might feel the difference immediately. Performance wise, Samsung made an interesting call. The Trifold runs on Snapdragon 8 Elite, still extremely powerful, but not the latest Elite Gen 5 chip that some 2025 flagships already have. So the performance is strong, but not the absolute latest. RAM gets an upgrade though, 16 GB standard on trifold compared to 12 GB on Fold 7, and cameras remain identical between both devices. Battery is where Samsung really pushed engineering. Fold 7 comes with a 4400 mAh battery, while Trifold 5600 mAh made possible by three separate batteries, one in each panel, and it still supports faster 45-volt wired charging. And yes, the Trifold is thicker, 12.9 mm folded compared to Fold 7 at 8.9 mm, but even then it's still thinner than the original Fold 1, which tells you how far foldables have come. The aspect ratio also changes everything. The trifold 16:11 layout makes it feel far more like a real tablet. Content, productivity, multitasking all feels more natural. And then there's pricing. The Fold 7 sits around 1,45,000 in Korea, but the trifold is gonna start at 2,19,000, and this is just the base Korean pricing. It's gonna be much more expensive in India. But I personally feel the pricing is justifiable, especially considering a brand new form factor. So does the trifold makes the Fold 7 feel outdated? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if we are really talking about the future, the only real competitor that this Samsung trifold actually has is Huawei's trifold. So in the part 3, we are going to compare these two devices head on.